Annotated bibliographies. You might have an assignment to write an annotated bibliography in one of your classes, or been told that you need to include an annotated bibliography in a research project. What is an annotated bibliography? What is a bibliography? A bibliography is a list of books, articles, and other information resources about a subject. The works cited or references page that you include in papers or presentations is one type of bibliography. What is an annotated bibliography? An annotated bibliography expands on these simple citation lists and adds notes to each entry. Annotation is another word for note, so if you annotate a bibliography, you are adding notes to it. Why write an annotated bibliography? Annotated bibliographies help you learn more about a subject and can prepare you for a larger research project, such as a paper or presentation. When you write an annotated bibliography, you read more carefully and critically, which can help you focus on a thesis statement or argument by focusing on the issues in the subject. Then the entries can help you quickly find critical resources while later writing your paper. Your annotated bibliography can also help other researchers and professionals in the field understand your subject and provide them with an overview of essential resources. An annotated bibliography lets you, the author, as well as other researchers, obtain a focused and critical summary of the subject. How do you write an annotated bibliography? You might use several kinds of annotations in your annotated bibliography, such as descriptive, informative, evaluative, or a combination of annotations. Your requirements can vary, depending on the citation style you are using and the directions of your assignment and instructor. Make sure to check instructions carefully for how many resources you should include, what should be in each annotation, and how long the annotations should be. Typically, they are a paragraph long, about 100 to 200 words. In addition to the citation, you will most likely have 3 parts to your annotation, where you will summarize, assess, and reflect on the information resource. It might help to think about annotations like snapshots of the information resource, much like you would take snapshots of a day out with friends to share on social media. First, you would start your social media story by summarizing your plans, such as celebrating a family member's birthday or hiking with your friends. Then you would assess the photos to pick the best ones to use. You don't want anyone's eyes closed, and you want to capture the best angle of the scenery. Finally, you would reflect at the end of the day, sharing a selfie, posting what it meant to you, or if you would recommend the activity to others. An annotated bibliography shares a snapshot of the information resource. First, you would start your annotation with a summary of the information resource. What is it about? What are the main arguments? What topics are covered? Then, you would assess the resource and the information it presents. Is the information reliable? Is it accurate and current? Is the source authoritative? Is it biased? Finally, you would reflect on the information resource and how it fits your annotated bibliography topic. Is it useful for this topic? How can you use this resource in your research project? Why did you choose this information resource? How can other researchers use it? To review, an annotated bibliography is a list of information resources about a subject that includes notes on each of the resources. By summarizing, assessing, and reflecting on the information resources, you can provide an annotated bibliography that lets you, the author, and other researchers obtain a focused and critical summary of the subject. You can ask a librarian for help at any stage of the research process. We can help you search for resources, organize your information, connect you with the Writing Center to help write and revise your work, and help you cite your sources correctly. Contact us today for help with your annotated bibliography.